Let me show you how to solve this last question on the board. You are given 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 2 equal to 1 over 27 raised to the power of x. And we are expected to find the value of x. If you want to solve this question correctly, this is what you need to do. Here is the solution. You have to rewrite this equation in such a way that both sides will be in exponential form in the same base. Now we have 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 2 equal to 1 over 27 raised to the power of x. We are going to write this right hand side of the equation so that it is going to be in form of 3 raised to the power of something, so that it will look exactly like this. You understand? Now the question is, how do we now rewrite this right hand side so that it will be in form of 3 raised to the power of something? It's very simple. Let me show you what to do. Just rewrite this side where it is. We have 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 2, then equal to, now you see this right hand side, because we have 1 over this expression here, we can write it in normal exponential form as writing this 27 raised to the power of, because of this 1 over, we are going to put a negative sign for this x here. It becomes negative x. Supposedly this x was negative, it will change to positive, but because it is positive here, that's why it is changing to negative. You understand? So after we have done this, if you look at the two sides of the equation, you can see that both sides do not have the same base. So we are going to adjust this 27 again. 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 3. Why? Because 3 times 3 times 3 into 3 places will give us 27. So in place of this 27, we are going to write 3 raised to the power of 3. We're going to have 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 2, then equal to, in place of this, write 3 raised to the power of 3. Then raised to the power of this negative x. So we have 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 2 equal to 3 raised to the power of, we're going to open this bracket. So we use multiplication. 3 times negative x will give us negative 3x. Now, if you look at the two sides of the equation, you can see that the bases are the same. Because they are the same, they will cancel. And you're left with 2x minus 2 equal to negative 3x. The next thing to do now is to collect like terms. Anyone that has x will come to the left hand side of the equation. The one that doesn't have x will go to the other side of the equation. So this 2x has x, so it's going to remain here. This negative 3x will have to come to this side. And when it crosses to this side, it changes to positive 3x. Then equal to, this negative 2 have to cross to this other side of the equation. And when it does that, it changes to positive 2. On the left, we have 2x plus 3x, which will give us 5x, then equal to 2. We're looking for x, not 5x. So we're going to divide both sides by this 5 that is attached to the x. Divide this by 5 and divide this by 5. 5 here will cancel 5, and we have x equal to 2 over 5. This is the answer to this question. I really appreciate your comment on this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.